Menteri Bapet Jakatanat Kamrep Khuborjylla Utimoti di Shira mentakasngi arpoi terek jemang ula pentep bagi Nongrep ba juim da kabarep Kwai kila kendu Jing kabakrau namar Jingshah bam Khniang ki Dieng Kwai. Shu le thu baka sarkar Jylla menta kala thung da high level committee kabala aibor haki deputy commissioner ban longkum ki chairman jugi district committee ban phat tokit banya yakadaw jangka Jingshah lut ki Dieng Kwai ban ajing mud ki senjam ban rap dengkhong yaka jingput ki Shillong. Ula pentip ba ki jaka ba Shakta ki Long Nadu North Garo Hills, South Garo Hills, West Garo Hills, South West Garo Hills, katu kat ni ki jaka Haribhoi, East Khasi Hills, but ki jaka Them Khubor ka Bangladesh, but South West Khasi Hills.
Regarding Eric-Nut Bartrot disease, it has affected many districts, in different places. Not the whole district, but in the particular, I say, a region of the district. You see, Bartrot disease have affected the Eric-Nut plantation. For that purpose, government has set up the committee, high-level committee. In the state level, agriculture secretary is the chairman, director, and some other important agriculture officers are a member of the committees. In the district, DC is the chairman, and they are authorized to make an assessment how much farmers are suffer lost due to this Eric-Nut disease, where it is mostly affected, and what are the measures to be taken to eradicate this Bartrot disease. District even North Garo Hills, South Garo Hills, even West Garo Hills, even Southwest Garo Hills, whole Garo Hills, and some parts of Reboy district also. So where this Eric-Nut plantation mostly done. In Khasis until still East Khasinews, the southern slope bordering Bangladesh, and then Southwest Khasinews border place like this Arnikor areas, and Reboy, almost whole area. But not in all these places, this Bartrot disease is there. In some particular pocket or area, the Bartrot disease effect is there.